Hi, I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 tablet. I can't finish setting up the tablet after a hard reset because it's FRP locked. As you can see, the tablet is asking for the previous PIN code or the email address linked to the device. If you are in the same situation, I'm going to show you how to unlock your tablet using the Unlocktool software. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so let's go. First, go and click on Samsung. Next, search for the model number on the search bar. In my case, it's SMT733. Then go to Brom EDL and click on Erase FRP. Now you need to connect your device to the computer in EDL mode using an EDL cable. If you don't know how to do this, leave a comment, and if there is enough demand, I make a video about it. Okay, now the tablet is connected into EDL mode, which allows the unlocking process to begin. I'm speeding up this part so the video doesn't get too long. You can take this moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Okay, the unlocking process is complete. We're going to check if the tablet is properly unlocked. So first, the tablet will reboot, and this may take a little time. So I'm going to speed up this part too. By the way, this is how an EDL cable looks like. If you don't know where to buy it, just leave a comment and I will share some links for you guys. If like me, the chicken info doesn't go till the end, just go back and turn off the Wi-Fi and just skip this part. Perfect. As you can see, the tablet is totally unlocked now. You can use it without any restriction using the last Android version. Also, you need to know that if you don't have Unlocktool, there is other software programs that can perform this operation. So if you are interested in a list of software, just leave a comment and I'll make a video about it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get access to more content. If you are still looking to unlock other devices, I suggest these two videos which could be helpful. See you soon!